everyone, this is Wen.
This is Jason from
Wen Group.
Today we're excited to introduce you to this one of the newer built townhouse in San Carlos.
This home comes with beautiful updated kitchen and bath, move-in ready.
Located in the heart of San Carlos.
And come with the top school district. Where is it?
1263 Holly Street, San Carlos. 您好，欢迎和我一起参观这套舒适优美的联排别墅。
咁靚間屋，快啲過嚟參觀下啦！
Step into this spacious, open-concept living area. The updated kitchen is designed for both function and style, with stainless steel appliances, classic granite countertops, and plenty of cabinetry. Whether you love to cook or just need a great space to entertain, this kitchen has it all. 室内布局非常現代化，擁有寬敞的開放式設計。廚房也已經全面升級。
呢間屋空間感十足，廚房亦都全面升級。無論係自己煮嘢食定係招呼朋友，呢度都實用方便。
Right off the formal dining area, you have access to your own private patio, a perfect spot to enjoy your morning coffee or host a small gathering. The living room is filled with natural light, thanks to the large windows. And the cozy gas fireplace adds just the right touch for those cooler nights. For added convenience, there's also a modern, updated bathroom on the main floor, making it easy for guests or family members when entertaining. 客厅明亮宽敞，阳光洒满整个空間，還帶有一個私人露台和溫馨的壁爐。今年的聖誕節會更加溫暖和舒適。
闊綽嘅客廳呢，仲有個私人露台㗎，無論係自己飲杯茶定係同朋友聚會，一樣都咁理想。
Upstairs, you'll find the primary suite, a peaceful retreat with vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting, and an ensuite bathroom. The large closet space is perfect for all your storage needs, making this room both elegant and functional. The second bedroom is equally impressive, with a walk-in closet, and there's even a cozy nook, which could be your home office. 主卧带有独立卫浴和充足的储物空间，高挑的天花板和嵌入式燈光，營造出一種寧靜而優雅的氛圍。客房也很舒適明亮。
瞓房呢亦都好闊綽，仲有步入式衣櫃，同埋仲有一個辦公嘅小空間，好適合喺屋企度返工㗎。
With a two-car garage, you will have plenty of room for parking and extra storage. Plus, the community feel is enhanced by a shared courtyard downstairs, ideal for gathering with friends and connecting with neighbors. Living here means you're just steps away from everything San Carlos has to offer. Top-rated schools, beautiful parks, and a vibrant downtown area filled with charming coffee shops, restaurants, and boutique shopping. For commuters, CalTrain is just a short walk away. 房子还配有双车位车库，为您提供更多储存空间。小区仅有3户，非常私密，而且有一个共享庭院，增添了社區的溫馨感。
呢度仲有雙車車位，泊車同儲物一應俱全。呢個小區呢得3家人嘅啫，非常私隱，仲有一個共享嘅庭院，適合傍晚小聚。
This home offers everything you need: privacy, modern living, and unbeatable location. With only 3 units in this complex, you will enjoy the peace and quiet, but still have access to everything you need, just moments away. If this sounds like the home you've been looking for, let's connect. I'd love to give you a personal tour and show you all this beautiful townhome has to offer. 不仅生活便利，周边还有顶级学区、公园和社区设施，而且这里距离市中心的餐館、咖啡館和精品店只有幾分鐘的步行路程，生活豐富多彩。
呢間靚靚嘅連排別墅呢，提供咗最完美嘅生活方式，現代設計、便利地點， 同埋私密居住環境，咁有格調，最適合有品味嘅你。
係咪好靚？好想過嚟睇下呢？
歡迎來我們週末 open house。
I hope you like it, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your own realtor or us.
Buying or selling a house?
Just say when.